Yep. We screwed up. Yeah, I said it. We screwed up. When Biff and I were taking apart this, or actually working on the Subi, or Pepe, my little mule, you'll see that in an upcoming video, don't worry. But yeah, we screwed up. That right there. Right there. It's supposed to look like that. We broke it. The problem is, I can't find the OEM tank anymore, and the only one I can find is an aluminum aftermarket that's about $200. I don't want to spend $200 if I don't have to. So, we're going to try and fix it. We're going to try and take this, come up with something like that, and hopefully we can epoxy it in. Will it work? I don't know. But I'm not going to buy a $200 aluminum tank if I don't have to. So stick around and we'll find out. All right, we're back. Sorry, had to wait for the dishwasher to finish. We're in the kitchen, just don't tell Amy. Okay, that's why we got this nice towel laid out here. So, I'm not even like gonna pretend that this is gonna fix this problem, but we're gonna give it a shot. And if not, we'll just have to buy the aluminum one. So we're gonna take some JB Weld. To be honest with you, I don't even know if this stuff is still good. I've had it forever. Let's see. We got some of that on the cardboard here. Is it a problem if you can't get the cap to go back on? There we go. Let's mix this up. The only thing I don't like about this JB Weld, I wish I had some quick set, but I don't. The dry time on this is 4 to 6 hours. Let's see if we can set that up flat. We're just going to take, yeah, we're probably going to make a mess. We're just going to see how much of this we can get to stick without running down. Alright, I don't know how much of that you guys were able to see. I'm going to pick you up, show you what we got. So we've got a pretty good bead around that. So, whoa, don't fall over on me. Only choice we have, let it dry and see what happens. Alright guys, time for a quick update. There's the amount of time we have left in our 4 to 6 hour cure time. I did set a timer for 6 hours. I am liking the way that looks. Looks like it's curing nicely. Yeah, we did get a little bit of rundown on it, but I don't think that's going to matter much. So, still don't know if it's going to work or not, but wanted to give you guys a quick update. It's been 6 hours. Let's take a look. Not tacky at all. Not quite in a straight line, pretty close. It feels pretty solid. Is it going to work? I don't know. You're going to have to come back and find out, because we're not going to post it until we have the video. We're going to post this before we have the video done of Pepe, but you're not going to be able to know the outcome unless you come back for that. So, till next time, don't be afraid to go or try something new.